Hi guys, I will be taking you through a 7-day water challenge for growing my hairline. About a month ago, I did do a rice water challenge for 7 days. I reviewed it on the 7th day and I could see there was massive change on the growth of my hairline. If you look at my video on YouTube, you will see what my hair looked like and what it looked like at the end of that challenge. So I'm going to be starting this challenge again. I haven't been consistent because it's about a month ago since I did it and I haven't done it again. So I'm going to try and do it every 2 weeks and just get in that kind of routine and see how much change there will be in the growth of my hairline, because I've already seen change in the growth on the last video I did. I think in everything all we need is consistency, and if you want to see great results, you have to be consistent. I know we get busy with work and things, but this time I'll try and spare at least 7 days, because it's just a quick thing that you do every day for the 7 days and then review. So also, I did a hot oil avocado egg treatment, which has helped my 4C hair to be manageable, soft, and it's given my hair, it helps my hair absorb moisture better because my hair porosity is very low. So if you go to my videos and watch that, you know what my hair is looking like today, because my hair has been out or twist for 10 days. So when I took the twist out, I really had nice juicy curls, and I will do a video on how I get my curls to look juicy. And then, because it's been out of curls for out of the twist for about 10 days, you can't see anything, but I'm still managing it because it still feels softer, it's still absorbing moisture. Just remember to sleep in your silk bonnet and all these things that help. And I'll be talking you through how to manage your natural afro hair. And people with 4C hair, you know what I'm talking about. You know it's not the easiest hair to manage. I know the shrinkage is real, but we can't do anything about it. But I know we can manage moisturizing and just giving our hair that tender loving care. So I will also be talking about hair types in another video, just so that you get to understand your hair type and how to manage that kind of hair. Mine is 4C, so I probably know more about 4C. Anybody else who has a different type of hair is welcome to talk about the experience they've had. Mine is normally very dry and brittle, but with the treatment I did on the video I'm talking about, my hair looks better. It's softer, it's growing, there's less breakage, and it's just more easily manageable than it was before I started using that treatment. I've only used the treatment for 2 months as well, so I need to give it time, but it's really working at the moment. Excuse me. So let's get into today's business. I got my rice water here. I've done a video on how to make your own rice water, so this is just come out of the fridge. So if you go to my videos and watch my video on how to make rice water, then you will know how to make your own. If you look at my hairline and the time I did it on the other video, you can see massive change there. So I think if I was consistent, there will be greater change. So I'm just going to spray that, take these glasses off. Just gonna spray my hairline, and I will do it again tomorrow, and that will be going on for 7 days, and then we will review it together. So that's my hairline, what it's looking now like, and you can tell there's a change compared to the way it was that time. So that's sprayed, that's day 1. I'm going to spray the back as well. I'm leaving the rest of my other hair alone because it needs washing, and it's gonna be washed on 7 days. I will do a full hair rice water challenge in future, but I'm going to concentrate on my hairline now because that's what bothers me. So that's what my hairline is looking like now on our day 1. But if you go to my other video, you will see there was no hair there, and now there's massive change. And remember, I've only done that challenge before for 7 days, and I've not done it again. So there we are. So what I do after I have sprayed my rice water, I massage this in, and when it's dried, I make sure I moisturize it because rice water contains a lot of protein, and that's what breaks and damaging your hair. So after this, I'm not worried about it going to my main hair, to be honest, because I know it won't. I know I'll keep my hair moisturized and it won't cause damage. So I will be obviously doing this again tomorrow, and for the next, make it 7 days, then I'll review on day 8. So just so we are together, that's what my hairline looks like there today and there, and then we will review this on the 7th day. I also love the way the rest of my hair feels really soft. It doesn't feel like my hair. I'm excited that I just want you to start embracing your natural afro hair and know that there's other things you could do to manage it. Have you ever woken up with that kind of hair where you wake up and you want to cry, you don't know how to style your hair to go to work? But if you get it softer and easily manageable, you can do any sort of styles with your hair, and I'm finding myself being able to do that even though my hair is not very long. My hair journey is only coming to 2 years now, so it grows slowly, but it does grow, and I know we all have different hair types, so I'm not gonna cry over something that I don't have, but I do want to manage my hair as much as I can. So just gonna massage that, and then when it dries, I will moisturize it, and then see what happens. But I'm hopeful that I can get my hairline back. I don't know the last time my hairline had hair, to be honest, so hopefully this is the thing, this is the deal. Thank you. Hi guys again. So today is my day 2 of my rice water challenge, and got my rice water here, which has come out of the fridge. That's how my hairline is looking like. So there we are. So I'm just gonna spray that. Take them gloves off. So I'm only doing my hairline, as I said, just a quick brush or a quick spray. I'm not spraying the rest of my hair, I'm just spraying my hairline, and I'll spray the back too. The back is not bad anyway. When you look at that, my hairline is looking better from my first video, as I said. So if you want to compare that, and then we'll see what it is like after 7 days. So once that is dried, I'll massage that in. Once that is dried, I will just moisturize my hair. I will make sure I oil my scalp and make sure that it doesn't dry too much, because rice water can really dry your hair and can damage it. But if you keep moisturizing your hair, then you won't get that kind of damage. So day 2 done, 5 to go. So I'll just wait for that to dry, and then I will moisturize it. And I'm leaving the rest of my hair salon. Day 4. Hi guys, today is day 5 of my rice water challenge. Hope you all had a good day. So I am just going to do a quick spray because I think I'm ready for bed. It's been a busy day for me, and I'm just going to give it a quick spray, and then I'll see you again tomorrow. So that's my rice water. My rice water has come out of the fridge, and I'm just going to give this a quick spray. Quick as that, and that's what my hairline is looking like. That's what my hairline is looking like, and I will spray for the next 2 days, and then I will review this in 3 days. So once that's dried a bit, I'm just gonna put some oil, my hair oil. I'm gonna use my oil mixture, and then I will put my silk bonnet on, and I think I'm ready for bed. So I'll see you tomorrow. Wakamwana ukamtuma duniani sifa nitakupa zaidi, usema wako wema sio kama najigamba, umenitenda mema. Day 6 guys, day 6. One more day to go. I shall see you again tomorrow. Hi guys, today is day 8, and it's my day of reviewing the rice water challenge. I did the last rice water spray yesterday. I did it quite late, so I didn't get a chance to video that because it was just time to go to bed. So today my hair is being washed, and I'm just going to show you how my hairline looks like. You come with me. That's what my hairline looks like. Compare this with my first rice water challenge video, which is on my YouTube. That's what it's looking like. I think there's change, and I'm going to try and be consistent and do this every 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks, then I do a challenge, then I give it 2 weeks again and do a challenge, and probably review it in a month just to give the rice water time to work. But at the moment I am happy with the way it's looking. There's big change there if you compare this with my very first video, and also if you compare it with the beginning of the week. Obviously this hair is much of baby hair, but it will grow and get stronger with time. I just need to look after it. If you think there's change or anything you want to say about this challenge, comment on my comments box, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and give us a thumbs up if you like it, and press on the notification bell so you will be notified every time I upload a video. So because it's my wash day, obviously I'm going to do the hot oil treatment, which is also on a video I did on my, and it's in my YouTube videos. So if you want to watch that and just see how the hot oil does and how it works. Also, the rice water challenge is on the previous rice water challenge is on my YouTube. I'm just going to follow up with moisturizing my hair, oiling my hair and my scalp, and leave-in conditioner. Then I will twist my hair and call it a day. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, press the notification bell, and give us thumbs up if you like it. Thanks guys. On my channel I am doing hair, and this is natural afro hair. I am doing cooking, and I got other things in mind. So if you want to know what they are, and they will be coming up, stay with me, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you will surely be notified every time I upload a video, and you will not miss anything. Thank you.